Hey guys, my name is Scoby. Today I'm going to be showing you how to hide the number of subscribers on your YouTube channel. This is going to be a nice, quick and easy tutorial. I'm going to be showing you step by step how to do everything. Let's jump right into this. So the first thing we'll be doing is clicking on our face on the top right, and then we're going to be going to our Creator Studio. But if your Creator Studio looks a little bit different than mine, don't worry too much about it. The settings should still be in particularly the same place, but I'm going to be showing you step by step how to do it. What we're going to be doing is once your Creator Studio opens up, we're going to be looking at our options on the left. And here we're going to be opening up the channel options, which is going to give us some more information and options about our channel. Once this fully opens up, we're going to be looking for the advanced tab at the very bottom of this list. And here we're going to get some more advanced options about our YouTube channel. So from here we can see a couple different things from advertisements, AdWords, associate websites. What we're going to be looking for is a second last tab on the bottom, which is going to be subscriber counts. And here we'll have two options of display the number of people subscribed to my channel, or do not display the number of people subscribed to my channel. What you can do is click on the second option right here, click save to make the changes, and then your subscriber count will no longer be shown on your YouTube channel. Anyway guys, if you enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to drop a like, subscribe if you're new, check out the other videos on the channel. Until next time guys, as always, keep it saucy. Peace.